Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Zoom using your workplace SSO or company email. This authenticates permissions and access. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is completed because security often blocks meeting features without it. Next, sync your calendar so meetings appear automatically. This saves time and prevents missed links. Finally, run the audio and video test to confirm device selection. Doing this now avoids delays when the meeting starts and ensures you're present. Once in the meeting, take control of settings you need. Mute all participants if noise is disruptive, and lock the meeting when everyone expected has joined to prevent intruders. When sharing content, select the specific window or the whiteboard and enable Optimize for video if you are playing clips. This improves frame rate and audio. If you need small group work, create breakout rooms and launch them. Meanwhile, use polls and chat to collect quick feedback and keep participants active and focused. To finish, record or save the transcript to cloud or locally so you have meeting notes and a compliance record. Make sure the recording completed before you leave. When wrapping up, use End Meeting for All to close the session cleanly and verify local recordings have stopped. If someone cannot join or experiences poor audio/video, first check VPN and firewall settings, then confirm the Zoom client is up to date. Restart the app or device if problems persist, which often clears routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.